proceed. So for first, I just shared a URL. So this is the URL actually. If you want, I can drop in the chat box as well. So this is something someone is looking for the SOC analyst 20, right, for defensive security in Surat. So guys, job description and all those things is basically you can come on this website, Rat Bazaar. I just dropping into the live show in the link, okay, link in the chat box. So just check it out, okay, and accordingly we can do right. So this is the thing what exactly they are looking for, and you can fill out all your information here, and you can see what are the responsibility, what are the qualifications they are looking for. So that's the thing. Now let's go to the next one. So next one is someone is looking for associate security analyst. So it's in basically for the freshers, okay, those who have experience of either 6 months or 1 year, so you can join. Okay, they are looking for someone who can stay in Noida. Okay, we are hiring to associate security analyst to join their team. So actually the company is in Noida and company name is Cratical. Cratical. Okay, so this is the company name. Okay, Delhi NCR based people can join, or those who can relocate. Okay, they can join this opening, right? And this is the mail ID where you can drop your CV, and accordingly you will get selected. Now next is someone is looking for network security engineer. It's in Dubai. It's a long term job. Okay, so for that these are the skills which is mandatory, which is Fortinet, Jupyter F5, Cisco, ACI, SDA, FTD, firewall, routing and switching. So all those things required. And this is the mail ID where you need to drop your resume, and accordingly you will get selected. Now next opening is associate security consultant or attack or pen test. So this is again for freshers actually. Okay, 1 to 4 years of experience people can join. Okay, network pen testing, that's what you need to do. Mobile application and web application pen testing is the thing that you need to do. Okay, Pune and Mumbai is the job location where you need to work. And suppose if you're going to apply, so make sure like if you get a job, if you get selected, then within next 10 days you need to move out, right? So just take care of the things. If you're working somewhere, then just see like if your notice period of maximum 10 days, then only you can join, right? So if you're joining for this job role, just drop VAPT in subject line, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. So make sure to write VAPT subject line, accordingly you get selected. Now let's see then what are the next opening that we have. So this is Soffit. They're looking for associate security L1. Okay, Bangalore, 1 to 2 years experience is required. Notice period immediate by, and this is the mail ID where you can drop, right. Now next opening is Aujaz. They're looking for VAPT peoples. Okay, location Mumbai, 1 to 2 years of experience is required, and this is the mail ID. Silpa.at@auza.com, and this is what exactly they are looking for: web application pen testing, WASP, okay, and mobile pen testing, and all those things, right? So this is exactly you can apply. Now the next opening is in Securism. Okay, they are looking for L1 associate analyst, which is for your freshers. 1 से 2 साल का experience चलेगा वजू, and anyways this is for Pakistan. I just forgot all the time the city country I can think of. Next is Synclature. Synclature, right? And they are looking for someone who should have experience. Okay, associate analyst 2 to 3 years, senior cybersecurity analyst 3 to 5 years, GRC consultant, GRC intern, cybersecurity intern, and it's in Andheri West, Mumbai. Andheri East. In Andheri West, we have our office of VIH, so you can come and meet once there. Immediate joining is something what they're looking for, and this is the mail ID where you can drop your resume, and whatever question you want, you can ask on this mail ID. Company name is Synclature. Now the next company that is looking for someone is Computronics, and they are looking for someone those who can work from Mumbai. L2, L1 job is there. Netscope Proxy L2, Netscope VPN L1, L2, Across PIM PAM L2 engineer, and web application firewall L1 L2 is what exactly they are looking for. This is a mail ID and this is contact number for what on which you can drop your resume, and if you have any query you can ask there. So alright guys, that's all for today. If you